What a crazy day in the stock of Charbone today. So in the morning, the stock went up for as much as 14 cents. I took a screenshot of it, and it was up 47% in one day. And at one point, I didn't take the screenshot. It was actually up 14.5. So it was up like 52%. The stock ended at 10 cents, so up only 5%. But the volume was just crazy. The volume was like on the Canadian side, and this is going to get updated, more than 2 million shares. Just wow. Just wow. Welcome to the world, to the microcap stocks. Wild fluctuations from day to day. If you look at the last year, I mean, it was like 4 cents. So just crazy upside. Now, of course, because the stock price is moving, people are paying more attention to Charbone in general. When I released the video at first, it was like, oh, why are you talking about a new investment idea? And when the stock is moving, that brings a lot of interest. At first, it was clear that when I released the videos, there was some sellers that just were tired. Some suppliers got their shares, and then they were just dumping and dumping and dumping. And then the moment that the selling dried up a bit, the stock just took off. And then, of course, the sellers came into the market, and it's only up like 5%. But again, if you're new to this story, read my report. Read my report on the company. I think it's very interesting. Stock like this is going to continue being volatile, so you got to be careful. But I think the investment thesis is sound. The value creation, if they deliver, is there. So now really what I'm waiting for, the biggest catalyst, is the announcement of some kind of project financing. Project financing, meaning not debt financing, not equity financing, but project financing. Because remember, they are putting 16 green hydrogen projects into production, and all of them are going to be financed by project financing. So the project financier is earning an interest in that particular location. We, as shareholders of Charbone, retain the other 50% or whatever they negotiate. So for us, it's a capital light way of building value. And so I gotta believe that when they announce something about project financing, I gotta believe that it's going to be hugely positive for the company. Again, whether this will do anything to the stock, I don't know, because I still think we're in the mode where nobody cares about these small cap stocks. But I think it's starting to change, and the volume on Charbone is showing it. I mean, somebody bought 2 million shares. Somebody sold 2 million shares, but if the interest continues to keep flowing and sellers dry up, it could get interesting.